Hello everyone, my name is Medha. I'm not here to teach you why exactly you need to learn generative AI. Rather than I'm here to teach you how a generative AI can be used in your day-to-day activities. That is more important, I believe. So just get started. So first of all, you need to open platform.openai.com and you need to visit their document. That is more important, I believe. So you just glance through all the pricings and image generation, vision, text to speech, everything. That is more important, I guess. And after that, you head on to the code. Here, from OpenAI, import OpenAI. This is a library which we are going to use. And you might be thinking, where exactly are we going to use this particular piece of code? So one is to use in your local system itself. There you need to import the Python and dependencies, packages, everything. But there is an easier way out, which is basically Colab. Colab is provided by Google itself, and you just have to log in through your Google account, which I have already done it and have already imported it. And there is you just have to uh, create the codes and text if it is required, and write the code here. Here, let me just explain. Yeah, print. Just have to run it. That's it. You just have to press this particular button. That's all, and it's going to print it. So it's more like a plug and play. That's all. So go here, create a new notebook, and later install the required libraries, which is basically OpenAI. We just need one particular library, which is OpenAI. And after that, which I've already done it, yeah, I can do it once again. You just have to press Shift Enter. That's it. And next block is basically the codes. And here I have already imported the OpenAI library, and after that I have created the client, and in the client we actually have to provide the API key itself. And here the API key, you might ask, what, how exactly can I get the API key? So you need to go to the platform.openai.com and later settings, and here API key, and create a new key and provide a name, something, test or something, and select a project and permission depending upon your project itself, and create a new secret key, which I've already done. I'm not going to do it again once again. And this is my API key. I just have to paste it here, and after that I just have to run it. And after that I just have to create a client, chat, compressions, and create, and specify the model whatever I'm going to use. Right now I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini because 4o is a little bit costly compared to 4o Mini, and GPT 3.5 Turbo also is that, but in this particular use case we are going to use text plus image. This is going to be a multimodal use case itself. For that particular reason I'm going to use GPT 4o Mini. It's cheaper. And in message I'm going to specify the user, and after that content is basically text, and what name is mentioned here. So I got an image from Google itself, Aadhaar card. You just search it any of the Aadhaar card. I just selected one, and I just opened in a new tab. I just got this particular URL and paste it in our image URL, and you are good to go. And you are going to run it here. I'm going to run it once again. The response dot choice and message and content. It's the result is there inside this particular syntax. So we just have to run it. Yeah, the name mentioned is initializing. Is it right? Yeah, it is right. It is not clear, but still it is right. Okay, let's just ask for date of birth also. Let's see. Print date of birth and Aadhaar number. This is a special requirement. Let's see. Yeah, the name mentioned is Nilesh Singh, date of birth 1/8/1985. Is it correct? 1985. 85. Yeah, this is right. And the other number is 443322. 443322. Yes, this is correct. So let's just say there is a use case for this particular task, and you don't have access to LM. What can you do? You just have machine learning models. So you can use OCR or something from the Google images and all, but it's not feasible enough. So this you can get it done within 5 minutes yourself. Yeah. Now I can specify print all these in JSON format. Okay, this is not actually working as expected. Yeah, you need to work on the prompt actually. Let's see all the answers. Yes, of course. I'm glad I'm getting this particular error. Let's see. Yes, on name, English Singh, date of birth, da da da, Aadhaar card number, da da da. Yes, it is correct. You can format as required. Yeah, that's it for today, and see you next time.